Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2012 Mini One. This car comes with a 1.6 petrol engine with a manual gearbox returning up to 52 miles per gallon. The mileage is just over 58,000 miles and the car comes with good service history. This colour on this car is called Lightning Blue, which looks in really good condition for the age and mileage of the car. The first owner chose over £4,000 worth of options from the factory. So a few worth mentioning. You've got the Pepper Pack, climate control and a 3-spoke steering wheel, just for example. A couple of other features worth mentioning. You've got the DAB radio and the electric windows and mirrors. Overall, you've got a nice clean interior with the pattern going through the centre of the seats as well. As you have a look inside the boot, you see you've got the split folding rear seats there and the parcel shelf is still in place as well. Externally, the car comes with front fog lights, the 17-inch gunmetal grey alloy wheels, and the car's also been independently inspected by an AA engineer who's been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty which can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance from just 7.9% with a zero deposit. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.